Hey mate, did you study for the chemistry quiz today?
Shit, what chemistry quiz?
The one Mr. Webster said was worth 20% of our grade.
Yeah, nah, I've got a better idea.
Don't even think about it, Colin.
Think about what, Dylan?
You're not seriously gonna pull the fire alarm. That is literally illegal.
Relax, mate. It's just a little drama. We get out of class, fire trucks show up, everyone wins.
Except, the school, the fire department, the law.
Ooh, big scary law. Come on, live a little.
It's the fire alarm. Everyone out.
Are you seriously that dumb blackbird? You think this makes you cool?
Says the guy who tried to hotwire Coach Gates's car last week.
At least I didn't get caught. Good luck explaining that to the principal. Genius.
This was the dumbest thing you've ever done.
I thought it'd be funny. It was funny.
Would you like to explain to me why you were caught on camera pulling the fire alarm?
It was just a prank. I didn't mean any harm.
You activated emergency services. You disrupted learning. And you endanger students with a false alarm. This isn't a prank, it's criminal behavior. I cannot let this slide.
It was just for laughs, sir.
I've had enough of you. You're suspended for 2 weeks, and your parents are being called. Expect police involvement if this escalates further.
Colin, how dare you pull the fire alarm at school? You know doing that kind of stuff could get you arrested.
But Mum and Dad, I was only joking around. I'm sorry.
Your apology isn't accepted. You're grounded for 3 months. No phone. No internet. No Dylan. No Chelsea. And don't even think about setting foot outside unless it's to go to school or community service if they assign it.
What? 3 months?
We're being generous. If this had gone to the police, you'd be looking at charges, not just punishment.
And while you're grounded, you'll be writing an apology letter to the school, the principal, and the local fire department.
This is so unfair.
Unfair as being a firefighter who rushes to a school thinking kids are in danger. Only to find some clown who thought it was funny.
Go to your room, Colin. We're done here.
3 months without anything. No telly, no Dylan, no Brighton Beach meetups and no Chelsea. All cause of one little alarm. Next time, I'll just fake a cough.